In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp link in Card website. By the end, you'll have a clean WhatsApp icon on your Card page that opens a chat straight away, making it easy for visitors to contact you. First, head over to card.so and open your dashboard. Make sure you're signed in so you can see your sites. From the dashboard, click the project you want to edit to launch the builder. This opens your page with the editing panel on the side and the canvas in the middle. Inside the builder, click the Add button. From the menu that appears, choose Icons. This adds an icon element to your page and opens its settings panel so you can configure it. If you don't see the panel, just click the icon element on the canvas and it will appear. In the settings, open the Type dropdown. This is where you choose which icons show up. Scroll through the available options and look for the WhatsApp icon. The icons are usually organized by brand, so it should be easy to spot. When you find it, click the WhatsApp icon to add it to your selection. With the icon selected, look for the URL or link field in the panel. Paste your WhatsApp link into that field. If you already have a WhatsApp link, great. Use that. If not, you can create one using the official format from WhatsApp that points directly to your chat. Keep in mind this link is public on your site, so only use a contact you're comfortable sharing. After pasting the link, double check that there are no extra spaces and that it's complete. If your builder offers an option to open links in a new tab, turning that on is a nice touch so visitors don't lose your page. When you're satisfied, click Done in the panel. You can now position your icon anywhere you want on the page. Drag it into place and use the alignment and spacing controls to make it sit neatly with your layout. You can also adjust the size so it's easy to tap on mobile and tweak the color to match your brand or keep the classic WhatsApp green for instant recognition. Take a quick look at your site's mobile preview to ensure the icon is visible and not overlapping other elements. That's it. You went from opening your Card dashboard to adding the Icons element, selecting the WhatsApp icon, pasting your link, and confirming the setup. With the icon placed and styled, your visitors have a straightforward way to start a conversation with you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded Card site.